move your stick to fly right and left. Only one pilot. You will be able to steer with a... Ow! Watch it!
Whoops.
Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? No cannons. Auto weapons engaged. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Left pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Every time I get chills. This is so cool. And Smugglers Run it is going to change to like 6 different missions. So it's different stories instead of just the one that they have now. And it's going to be all eras of Star Wars. And it's going to be random as far as I know. But these spires, there'll be projections later on tonight with the story of the Skywalkers, and then fireworks with Star Wars music. I plan on live streaming all that. But this ride here, Smugglers Run, you get to pilot the Millennium Falcon. If you are the pilot, it's a great ride. If you are a gunner or the engineer, you're literally sitting behind the pilots that do everything on it, and you're just pushing buttons. That's it. That's all you do. Should I do? Do you guys want to go on this? Let me see the weight. Single rider. It doesn't look busy. Ooh, I'm going to take you on this, guys. It might cut out. Might be some lag. Single rider? Okay, do you know how long it'll be about? Do you know how long the wait is? Oh, good Lord. Okay, thank you. 5-minute wait. Dude, I have to jump at this. But yeah, the engineer and gunner, you're literally pushing buttons like this. That's all you're doing. Due to budget cuts, the gunners were actually going to be like gunners in the movie, where you're actually sitting in the gunners and shooting. Instead, they cut it all. The engineers were supposed to be like it'd blow smoke and stuff in your face, and you'd have to like do certain tasks to put it out. And that's really not the case. Which way is what? I guess here. Both arrows were pointing. They're both yellow. The only thing with the single rider, you don't get to go through the queue line, which is pretty cool. But I have vlogged that before.
Welcome.
Hi there.
Would you like to be a solitary pilot?
Or would you like to wait for a crew?
Can I
Yeah.
pilot by myself?
Absolutely.
I gotta have long arms though.
Yeah, I mean, you'll be able to achieve more than you think.
Okay, let's do it.
Perfect, come on in. You'll be assigned flight crew color gold. Head
Gold?
on in. Yep.
Thank you. I'm gonna be a pilot on a 2-man ship. Where do I go? All the way through? Dude, this is weird. It's like I'm breaking into the place. Hi there. I'm gold.
Gold, down to the right. Hondo's ready for you.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome, my friends. Right this way. Nothing to be afraid of. Yeah, just kidding.
Jim Cummings, we were just talking about him.
A brand
Does
new
Winnie the
flight.
Pooh?
Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, You
a
clear the
walk
path.
on.
Pilots,
Crazy.
line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move on, my
Now
friends.
I'm gonna make
See you in the
Chewie proud.
cockpit. Well, be.
It's a
the cockpit,
two-man
of
ship
course.
to fly.
Take it up. You're still here, don't.
For your safety, remain
you.
seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezca sentado.
Okay, going to buckle up those restraints. Your restraint will go from the outside.
Okay, where do I put my bag?
Well, you can leave it on the floor in front of you, right over there.
Okay.
And then your restraint will go from your left to your right.
Oh, my bottle. Left to right.
So be right over there on that side.
Oh, I'm sitting on it.
Like a ball across.
Hurry now. Time is money.
Thank you. Alright, press all flashing buttons. Press the left.
Oh boy.
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged.
Yeah, I can go left and right. Not up and down.
Left pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. Only one pilot. You will be able to steer with a... No! Watch it!
Whoops.
Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? No cannons. Auto weapons engaged. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Left pilot, make the jump to light speed.
I'm sorry.
Train. Go. Papa. Those heavy dies are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Ah, there it is. After that train. And pilot brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
I'm sorry, man.
Just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. That cargo's bringing keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train.
Whoa.
Gunship! Oh, that's lifting. Waves are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. It's a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Boom, baby.
Coming down. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. We made it.
Get out of here.
Don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here.
Woo.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
31%. Marauder. I feel like I've snuck in and robbed the Falcon. Being all alone in here. What's up, Wiley?
Time for you to go. Don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
I lost my water bottle.
We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
My water bottle, where'd it go? Did you find it? Thank you. That was weird flying all by myself. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Thank you. Yeah, I think that's a first for a streamer, no? Get my backpack on. Well, Falcon has seen better days. Get my backpack back on. Alright, I'll catch up on the chat just a second, guys.
All available text, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.
Okay, I'm going to be in an elevator. Might lose you guys.